Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's Larry here. Today I'm going to take you on my commute that I've been doing for years, and that's really from Botafogo to Recreio das Bandeirantes. So it's really the south zone of Rio to the west zone of Rio, and the entire commute is along the ocean side. So I decided to mount the camera up on the dash of the car and come along for the drive. I'll do a little bit of commentary and some fun facts along the way. Sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the show. So in this particular area here, it's just getting into Copacabana. It's Atlantico, and just kind of driving along there. You can see on the left side you have the Atlantic Ocean, Copacabana Beach. On the right you have all the old apartments, etc. Just forwarding down to Ipanema here, and it gets to be a little bit nicer. Bit of construction there. Just exiting Leblon. I don't know why I skipped over Leblon, but anyway, this is one of the most beautiful parts of the drive. And what it does is it takes you between a mountain and the ocean directly. So you'll see some favelas up on the right-hand side here. It's called Vidigal. And that big mountain in the background is Pedra de Gavia. This is the opening to Vidigal. It's one of the bigger favelas overlooking the ocean. On the southwest zone of Rio de Janeiro. You'll see there's a lot of little sex motels and stuff like that. And actually, as you continue here, this is Niemeyer. It's a very famous road. Unfortunately, it's been wiped out by mudslides several times. It was open on this occasion, so I was able to get through. And as you go around the bend here, you're going to be going towards an area of the city called São Conrado, which is very beautiful. But on the way, you'll look to the right, and the steep mountains, they're just full of these sort of ragtag favela houses, squatters that built them. And actually, but as time goes on, it's getting a little bit nice. And you can see they have an extraordinary view of the ocean from that area as the sun is just starting to go down here. But here's one of my favorite parts of the drive. It's an elevated highway, and there's a bicycle lane on the left there, which unfortunately broke and is no longer in use. But you can see just coming around the bend here to an area called São Conrado. Absolutely spectacular with the sun going down. You got to really put the sunglasses on for this part of the drive heading west. And just going around the bend there to the São Conrado area. You can see the mountain, Pedra de Gavia. It's the biggest monolithic mountain that shoots straight up out of the ocean in the world. And just in front of that is São Conrado Beach, which is very popular. As most beaches are in Rio, they're pretty packed every weekend or on nice days throughout the week. And you can see on the right the geography. Watch that bus! Oh! You see the geography, but here we're going into Rocinha. There's no avoiding it in order to get from the south zone to the west zone. And it's all very beautiful naturally, but you'll see Rocinha here, which is one of the biggest, most famous favelas in all of Brazil. And just approaching the opening of Rocinha, you'll see there's a lot of barbecues and motorcycle guys, delivery people, and so on and so forth. This is in the middle of the pandemic, but what can I say? It's a crowded city with a lot of people, and there's not an ability to socialize. I don't want to get into that. So we're leaving Rocinha and we're going into the west zone now. And again, I just can't stop, filming that mountain. It is so gorgeous, Pedra de Gavia. I go up to that area quite a bit in my recreational time. And this is still going through São Conrado. And you can see Pedra de Gavia has its own climate. It's such an unusual geographic piece right there coming out of the water. Now, this is the elevated highway number 2. And this is going to take us right into the west zone. So this really separates kind of that Copacabana, Ipanema area with the west zone, which now we're going into here. And you can see the gorgeous sun just starting to fall here. And this is getting closer to home for me. And this opens up into an entirely new part of the city, which is really an 18-kilometer stretch of beach. It got too dark for me, by the way, to keep filming, so I'll just throw some pictures up here this is really what it's like on the way to Zone. Now I'm home, relaxing, just gonna sit back on the sofa and watch the sun go down. Probably watch a little Netflix or something, or some music on the TV. And that's it. Home sweet home. I hope you enjoyed the drive and come back later for some more. I have one, my next video will be driving all the way from Sao Paulo to Rio de Janeiro. So please subscribe if you want to see that, and hit the notifications bell, and you'll be able to see all these adventures. And if you're planning to go to Rio, travel to Rio, or move to Rio, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you with any information that you want. Cheers.